County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Heard County in west central Georgia, northwestern Coweta County in west central Georgia.
Man, I haven't seen Carroll County this active since my first enhanced here.
It's 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Handy, or 9 miles west of Newnan, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Everything working.
Quarter-size hail.
I'm gonna lower the voltage on.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Whitesburg, Central-Hatchie, Rouville, Plant East, Lowell, Plant Whately, Crossroads, and Handy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to reach us your report at Atlanta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll, Georgia,